I will show you how to use the latest AI models to set up a complete IDP flow in no time. You no longer need to label data or train models. The generic transformer models are here and can be used everywhere. I will categorize an incoming document and extract the key data points you need to integrate into your workflows. We can either use a vision model that can handle the image or use a text-only model for which we need to capture the characters first with OCR. I will show a use case with OCR. You can find all the relevant links in the caption below. Let's get started. Let's open our VS Code, open a terminal, and create a virtual environment for Python. Activate the virtual environment. Then go to the Alpshire GitHub and look for the repository with part 1 of Agentic IDP. Pull, copy, or download these files to your project. Make sure to install all the necessary packages. Then download and install Tesseract from the Mannheim GitHub. Once installed, set its path in your system's environment variables to ensure it works correctly. Search for environment variables and add a new system variable named Tesseract. Set it to the path of the Tesseract installation directory. Now, create an input and output folder. In the input folder, you can put any type of documents. The output will contain JSON files after you run the script. Make sure to also make a secrets.json file for your OpenAI secret for GPT. Let's have a look at the code. The script starts at the bottom by creating an instance of the Agentic IDP object. Then it calls the process/documents function to handle the entire process. The Agentic IDP instance includes variables such as the model to use, the maximum number of characters allowed in the document prompt, the input folder, and the categories. The categories are defined in the extraction/schema.json file. This approach will make the project easier to adapt to your needs. And we create the GPT client for which you will need a secret. Looking at the process documents function, I will take these steps. Extract the test from the file, categorize the document, extract the data points based on what's needed according to the category, and save the results. I use the PyPDF2 package for PDFs and Tesseract for other file types. The categorization is the most interesting part. GPT and similar models often default for one of the provided examples instead of saying unknown. So I'm using the log probability of the category tokens to decide whether to go through or not. So the log probability is used here as a confidence level. Next, I extract all data points based on the schema in the extraction/schema.json file. If you're enjoying this video so far and want to see more videos like these, let me know in the comments below. Finally, I write it to a JSON file in the output folder. Let's give it a go. You can see the JSON files are getting created in my output folder. The results aren't perfect, but that's in a large part because of the mistakes with the OCR. For example, the $7.58 becomes a $758. But there are lots of ways to improve the quality. Perform a check on total amount compared to the sum of all the line items. Use better OCR tools. Explore large transformer models with vision capabilities. Experiment with the temperature of the model, and so on. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you want to support this channel, consider grabbing some Upshare tokens. Your support means a lot. If you have ever wondered how to get a private key for a crypto wallet, check this video. Bye! La, 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 la.